The FDA has revealed plans to lift its bans on 2 pesticides found in Japanese strawberries. The 2 pesticides are banned in Taiwan but commonly used in Japan.
Taiwan farmers are up in arms. They fear that easing restrictions on Japanese imports would hurt the domestic strawberry industry. The FDA is expected to formally announce the policy within 2 weeks, with implementation set for July.
Ximending 的唐吉诃德以及好事多的内湖店
Don Donki and Ximending and Costco's Neihu branch were recently found to have Japanese strawberries with excessive pesticide residue. Now the FDA plans to ease its standards.
Japanese strawberries are making headlines after the FDA found pesticide-containing fruit on store shelves and launched recalls. But in a surprise turn, the FDA says it may lift its ban on the pesticides flonicamid and chlorfenapyr at Japan's request.
We don't use those pesticides in Taiwan, so we had never set allowable residue limits. But then Japan filed an application in accordance with our regulations. Experts assessed these pesticides, and they say those pesticides are similar to ones ingested by domestic consumers. Similar pesticides are present in Taiwan, so we need to set allowable residue limits for those too.
The news has angered farmers in Neihu, a major strawberry production site in Miaoli.
If the government allows those 2 pesticides, flonicamid and chlorfenapyr, it would be doing an injustice to the farmers of Taiwan. If you allow the pesticides, you would be doing great harm to Taiwan's consumers and strawberry farmers. I urge the government to reconsider. The main issue with these pesticides is their pre-harvest interval. It's more than 2 weeks. They are considered to be moderately toxic pesticides. Taiwan can't use those pesticides, but imports will be allowed to? That's a double standard.
Doctors and experts say the government must carefully assess its decision's health impact on the public. The government should also conduct a comprehensive review of Taiwan's strawberry pesticide regulations, they say, instead of focusing on any one country's imports.
In response to climate change and global trends, we need to conduct a comprehensive review insofar as possible, instead of just targeting Japanese strawberries. Chlorfenapyr is moderately toxic. In animal experiments, it has been found that in large quantities, this pesticide increases the risk of cancer. Before a policy decision is made, there should be communication. The government should explain the policy to the public.
The FDA says it may formally announce the policy within 2 weeks. The policy will be subject to a 60-day comment period and be implemented as early as July.